Let's review how to use the Resize accordion on our Imager page. Select the Suite section, then the Creative Suite, and open the Imager page. Scroll down and click on the Resize accordion title bar to access this resource. Choose your upload source: Local, Box, Clio, Dropbox, Google Drive, or OneDrive, and add your file. Once uploaded, the tool will automatically detect the original dimensions so you can start with accurate sizing. Enter your preferred width or height, and keep the proportional lock enabled to prevent distortion and maintain document integrity. Once satisfied, click the download icon to export in your required format. Use the share icon to copy the file, email it, print, or generate a link. Use Clear to reset and start a new Resize task. Built for legal professionals who need precise, distortion-free document resizing that fits seamlessly into their workflow. And that is how you use LawWiz Image Resize Accordion.